When I came to Calgary in 1975, we decided to bring the pita bread to the market here.
It was just a tiny 400 square foot factory. It was just him and his brothers.
When they tried to market pita bread at first, no one knew what it was, and now it's become one of the biggest sections in the grocery store.
To see what it's grown, it's just amazing. I mean, we've grown our customer base, we've grown our number of product lines, we have well over 100 employees working for us now.
I'm here every day, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. Been here for 35 years. This is our home.
Calgary Co-op was our first major customer. They really helped us take that next step from being a small family-run business to an actual manufacturing facility.
We've been with them for more than 35 years.
They've been supportive of any new product that we release. They're happy to take it into their stores, happy to market it, to promote our products, promote our brand. They've been our biggest fans.
Co-op and all of Calgary is very supportive of us and has continued to make us a household brand. I hope we just continue to grow, and I hope Calgary Co-op will be a big part of our future as well.